everyone, it's Misty here. I'm a design team member for Anniething.com, and in today's video I'm sharing with you the last preview of the September 2022 release. All of these products are available and will be linked in the description box down below, along with all of our other links to social media, Stamps Club, Facebook, etc., etc. And today we have Isaac, Let the Fun Be Jen. So this is Isaac, and he is mixing up some drinks. He's our resident bartender. So he has two different sentiments: let the fun be Jen and time to get ship-faced. But what I love about him and his coordinating die is that you can stamp this as one layer, or you can stamp and cut out the bottles in the martini glass. So, did you guess our theme? Did you? I'll give you one hint. The Love Boat. Do, 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 do. That's a really bad rendition of that theme song, but there you go. So, Isaac was our last chibi for this release, so let me share it with you everything again. So, we have our Ocean Tide stencil. We have our naughty word die. We've got our cruise ship builder die. We've got Mel, time to get naughty, excuse me. We've got Julie, let your dreams set sail. And then finally, we have Isaac, let your fun be Jen. So we hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek. Let us know in the comments down below what you think of the theme. Are you excited? Which one was your favorite? We'd love to hear all of your feedback down below. And again, be sure to check out the Facebook group along with our other social medias to see more from the design team. That's it for us today though. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn your post notifications on, and we will see you in our next video. Bye for now.